Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Refrigerator Ice Chute Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Ice Chute Gasket. The Ice Chute Gasket goes in between the door and the ice bucket. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and it's leaking ice and water. In order to change the part, we have to open up the left refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the Ice Chute Gasket. We have to remove the collar that holds it in. So we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and get underneath the gasket and the collar and then push towards the outside of the door and then lift up so the tab releases. Then you can lift up and pull towards the inside to release this tab on the other side. Once you have it free, you can take the Ice Chute Gasket off the collar and separate the two pieces. Once you have them separated, you can leave the collar here and pull the Ice Chute Gasket off the refrigerator. Here's the old Ice Chute Gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Ice Chute Gasket in, we're going to put it onto the collar first. If you look at the gasket, you'll see there's an arrow here and also an arrow on the collar. So we want to make sure those are lined up in the correct position. And then you can work the gasket over the collar. Once you have it seated, you want to make sure that the arrow's on the top. And then we're just going to line the collar up and put this side in first. And then we can snap the other side down and lock it in. Once you have it snapped in, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.